What's up, my people? Today is Friday, and I'm headed to the Chipichape, I think that's how you say it, mall here in Cali. It's a big, huge mall. I've been there before, but I'm going back again. All right, see you in a minute.
It's actually pronounced Chipichape. Okay, so I have made it to the Chipichape and Pacific malls. I just need a few simple things, nothing major, but I thought this would be a good opportunity to bring you along. When you live abroad like me, even a regular mall trip can feel like an adjustment. Different stores, different systems, sometimes different language. So today I'm going to show you what a normal shopping day looks like here in Cali and how I use AI in small practical ways to make it smoother. When you move to another country, you expect everything to feel foreign. But then you walk into a mall like this and you realize there's a lot that feels very familiar.
This is how big this mall is. Okay, they have an amusement park in the middle of the mall. Restaurants, shops, pharmacies, doctor's offices, hotels, any and everything that you could think of at this mall. At the one mall I went to, they had a whole floor dedicated to kids. They even have a Ferris wheel. They got a Ferris wheel. This is right here in the middle of this mall. It's just humongous. You could spend all day at the mall. And it's outdoors. It's not an indoor mall, okay? You can see the sky and the trees. Okay. More restaurants and shops down that way.
One thing I can appreciate about Cali is this balance. You have family fun on one side and just steps away a sleek hotel and the elegance of another mall.
This is a whole nother level of mall shopping. And I mean, there are a lot of people here shopping. Okay? Look at this. Okay? I'm not sure I've ever seen a mall this huge. Not in Atlanta or anywhere for that matter. And so I know I need pajamas. So I see a store that I'm familiar with, and that is Victoria's Secret. So I'm gonna go over here to Victoria's Secret and see if I can find me some pajamas. Okay, my YouTubers, I am in the Victoria's Secret store, and this little hombre right here give me a hard time, but a sweet time, okay, as I'm purchasing some cologne, and this young lady was so sweet to me. She was so sweet to me, but this little tenderoni right here, okay? Okay, I'm here at the Victoria's Secret store. Give me some perfume for my birthday, okay?
From Cali for the world.
To experience shopping in Colombia, okay? In Cali, Colombia. I'm sharing this with my YouTubers, okay? So when y'all come to visit, don't be surprised at how they do things here, all right? It's been a wonderful experience here at Victoria's Secrets, and I appreciate the wonderful service that I have received. I've walked so much I had to sit down and rest because this mall is absolutely huge. It would take you a week to go to everything here at this mall that's connected to another mall, okay? So, it's been quite an experience today. I did manage to get me some things that I needed, and now I'm ready to eat and head back to the condo. Okay, I'm in the food court, and they are playing hip-hop music on the speakers. Okay, these people don't hardly speak any English, but they playing hip-hop music on the speakers. Okay. Y'all hear that? So after walking around in this humongous mall, I decided to stop at Crepes and Waffles and get me something to eat because I'm hungry. And I've been walking. I know the menu is in Spanish, but I'll figure it out, okay?
Shopping was easy, but ordering lunch, that was a whole different thing. At Crepes and Waffles, nobody spoke English, so I had to rely on ChatGPT to help me communicate. Okay, so here's what I did. I opened ChatGPT and simply typed what I wanted to order in English. Then I asked it to translate it into Spanish. I showed the server the Spanish version on my phone. And just like that, the conversion flowed. No stress, no awkward guessing. That's how I use AI. Not for something complicated, but for everyday moments just like this. See, it's days like this remind me that living abroad isn't about big, dramatic moments. It's about ordinary days, going to the mall, finding something you like, stopping for lunch, figuring things out as you go. There's comfort in that. It starts to feel like home. And so, if you're curious about how I use AI in simple, practical ways like this, whether it's translating a menu or navigating everyday situations, that's exactly what I teach in AI Made Easy. As I always say, you don't need to be technical, you just need to know what to ask. Thanks for coming along with me on today's journey.